Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, in this video I'm showing you how you can submit your travel information to travel to Cape Verde. So before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, for Cape Verde, you need to submit your pre-registration when you travel to their country, okay, using the ease platform. Okay, so as you can see, I've opened, it shows automatic, efficient, automatic and safe entry of travelers. It's in English also, so you don't have to worry about. So here you have the link of pre-registration. Click on it and have some patience. Okay, so you need to select your gender. I'm filling sample information, but you do as per your own case. Oh, last name according to passport and last name confirmation. So you have to enter it 2 times. Date of birth, make sure such information match with your passport. Otherwise, there could be issues. And who would like to get into issues? Country of birth, place of birth. You can check your passport. It will have that information. Current nationality. If you have more than one nationality, you can click on add another nationality. Okay. Next is to additional info. Now it is your address. Okay. Put your address, proper address. I'm just putting some sample, but you provide proper information. Country of residence. So in email, you need to put your email, click on verify email. It will send a code. That code you have to put over here. And then you have to put the phone number and then click on travel info. So I'm going to go through this and then I'm going to show the next step. Okay, so I have gone through that. Next is your passport details. Very simple. I don't have to say anything. And reason for travel. So if you're going for a holiday, select that. Arrival date, return date, where you're gonna enter. There are 4 international ports that you can select, and flight number and where you're gonna stay. Okay. So if you select hotel, it's gonna ask for the details. Okay. And anything like if you say relatives, it will ask the contact. If you say other, it will ask you the relevant details. That's fine. Now they issue on arrival visa, so you can read their visa policy, which countries are eligible. So you may not even need this, but if you, I mean, you may not even need this. So check that on their site about their visa policy, and if you need it or not. But I read, but I can check it on their official site that they issue, like many countries, travelers can travel visa free, and others they issue visa on arrival. But check this information. I'm not sure about it. Next is gonna be the payment summary. So of course I'm not gonna do that, but you got an idea about how to do this. So thanks for watching this video, guys. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.